Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to caption your videos in TikTok if you don't have the feature for caption in TikTok. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. This would really help me and the channel very much. So you've seen this feature on another TikTok account and you would like to know how to do it. Well, TikTok have recently introduced captions, which is a feature on your TikTok video editing screen. It should appear at the right hand side when you're creating your videos. If you don't see the feature, then don't worry, TikTok is slowly rolling it out and it should appear in the next day, week or month. So for now, what should you do? Well, I have an answer and I'll show you how. Go to your App Store or your Play Store and download an app called Threads for Instagram. Thread is an extension of Instagram where you can send photos or videos to a close friend on Instagram. Open the app and set yourself up on the app. I've created a video on how to set yourself up on Thread, so do watch that. The link should appear at the top right. Now in this app, go ahead and create your video. Make sure you're speaking into the camera and you're speaking clearly. Once you finish recording, the caption feature will then start analyzing the video, and after some seconds, you should see your caption appear on the screen matching your audio. You can move the caption anywhere on the screen. Once you're happy with the caption, go ahead and download it to your photo library by pressing the down arrow. The time limit for one video is 15 seconds, so whatever you're going to say, make sure you fit it within the 15 seconds. If you have something longer than 15 seconds, then script your video so you can record the first 15 seconds of audio, then the next 15 seconds of audio. In order for the caption feature to work, make sure you're speaking to the camera with clear audio. Now go back to your TikTok app and upload your videos. And there you go, that is how to caption your TikTok videos if you don't have the feature yet in TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.